Hello everybody, this is Jared Passy with lots of pips, and I'd like to introduce you to the foreign currency market. This basic foreign currency trading program is designed to help you make a very informed decision on whether you want to get involved in this crazy market. Okay, this is not the fluff and yes you can do it, everyone can do it. This isn't anything that's going to go out there and trick you into deciding to spend a lot of time and effort and even money on learning something that's going to be way over your head or more than you want to take on. But this course will help you see what's involved so that if it does fit your type, your style, what you want to accomplish, it can be very profitable. But I'm not going to get you into something that you're not aware of what's going on. Does that make sense? I hope so. Let's move on here. Alright, so money. We're talking about money. Foreign currency is the exchange of money. And we're in this training, I teach you how to, well, I don't teach you so much how to in this training, but I teach you what's involved. Alright, so the Forex market is large. There's a lot of skill set you need. There's a lot of mindset you need. There's a lot of things you need to understand. It's not something you're going to learn in a week. It's not something you're going to learn in taking this beginner or this basics course. It's not something you're going to learn in a month to be profitable. I usually tell people that it's a life skill, and you can expect to spend a good 6 months at least before you start seeing, if you're studying good, before you can see profits consistently. And that there's a lot of factors in there. There's no guarantee of results and returns. But I've worked with hundreds of students and people that come in thinking they're going to figure this out in a couple of weeks and start making bucks so that they can pay their rent. It's not for them. Anyway, so let's move on here. Again, I'll introduce myself. This is my name's Jared Passy, and I have lots of pips. That's a picture of me. My hair's a little grayer now, but anyway, that's who I am. The global market, this thing is worldwide. It's the global exchange of monies from around the world. This course is going to include basically an introduction to all the elements of the Forex market. It's not a training. It's an introduction to the elements of the Forex market and what you might need to learn to be able to be successful. And it also teaches you how to set up and use the entire system for MetaTrader 4, which is the most popular currency trading program out there, used by most of the brokers. It's not the only one, there are others, but it's the most heavily used. And so that's what this course is about. And oops, I already got that one. And so here's a screenshot of my current charts right now. I'm analyzing the euro US dollar, and things go up and down, all these blue and green red candles. We got trend lines that are tracking things. I've got green marks as my targets, and these Fibonacci lines to help me calculate out the different price levels. And if this scares you, then you probably shouldn't take this course. You should probably avoid the Forex market and do something that's more in line with what excites you. But if this kind of stuff excites you, and it can get very exciting, then by all means jump in. This course is completely free, and it will let you know what you're getting into before you spend any money. And so that's what we're here for, and I hope it works out for you. Let me know if there's any questions after you take this course. There's also, I have a complete comprehensive training course that will give you all the nuts and bolts, all the mindset, everything you need, including several very profitable strategies that I've used in my trading over the past 10 years. And so, well, it's been good to talk to you, and we will see you out there. Thanks for checking this out, and good luck. And don't forget to give me a little feedback if it meets your expectations or better. Thanks. Take care.